morning. Now this is the very first class of chemistry, class 11th. The name of the chapter is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Class 11th, first chapter, chapter 1. Some basic concepts of chemistry. Some basic concepts of chemistry. You all have studied chemistry from the beginning, class 6 to class 10. Now we are in class 11th. So I think you must have some pre-convinced idea about the chemistry. What is chemistry? The first question in this chapter is, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the experimental science in which we study about a structure, composition, and properties of one substance, with another, These properties may be physical property as well as chemical property. That means chemistry is concerned with the substance from which it is made, and therefore Roald Hoffmann writes a very beautiful definition about the chemistry. That chemistry is you will find in the NCERT book in the corner. Roald Hoffmann writes the definition of chemistry, that chemistry is concerned with the atoms and molecules. Chemistry is concerned with the atoms and molecules and their transformations. Transformation. One substance get transformed into another. Embryo get transformed into the adult. Transformation. It is not merely related with the 118 elements. He also concluded in another way, it is not concerned with the only 118 elements. It is not concerned merely with 118 elements. Now it is 118 elements. Rather, the compound formed by these all 118 elements. Rather, compounds formed by these all elements. So chemistry has a very vast aspect in life. Now, what is the importance of chemistry? So now we will discuss about the importance of chemistry. Importance of chemistry. Chemistry is very vast subject and it has numerous applications in our life. You will see each and everywhere there is chemical substance. We eat food, it is also a chemical product. We wear the clothes, this is also a chemical product. We are writing with this pen, it is also made up of the plastics. So we see that each and everywhere we find the chemicals and chemicals. Everywhere we find the chemicals. Chemistry is concerned with all the manifestation of life. In the food products, you find the chemicals. Decorative items, you find the chemicals. Decorative items, you find the chemicals. Health and sanitation, now the very biggest problem in the world is health. Various life-saving drugs like cisplatin. It is used in cancer treatment. AZT, azithromycin, it is used for AIDS victims. Other drugs, analgesic like Analgin, Novalgin, aspirin, these all are analgesic. Antipyretic drug, paracetamol. In the various diseases we prescribe, doctor prescribe drugs, medicines, these all are chemicals. Drugs and medicines are chemical product. Now the time of coronavirus, and you know, American president also propagates the publicity of hydroxychloroquine, and India is the biggest supplier of this drug in the country. Hydroxychloroquine, and you will amazed to know that first of all, the production of hydroxychloroquine in India was propagated by the great chemist whose name is the Prafulla Chandra Ray, P.C. Ray. We try to salute him also at this time. P.C. Ray prepared this very drug in India, hydroxychloroquine. So we find from the food product, decorative items, health and sanitation, wearing clothes, these all are also the chemical product. Even not this, the explosive materials also, TNT, trinitrotoluene, TNB, trinitrobenzene, trinitrotoluene. You may know trinitrotoluene, a very good explosive. Trinitrobenzene, it is also explosive. Pesticides, now the current running problem that some of the insects are encroaching in our India by nearby countries. We use the pesticide. Pesticides are also the chemical product. Insecticides to kill the insect. These all are chemical product. Dettol, it is also a chemical product. Dettol, it is the very good disinfectant. Now COVID-19, the problem running, we are suggested by various doctors, use Dettol frequently and wash your hand frequently. These all are the various applications of chemistry. You see each and everywhere there is chemistry. And the scientists are working together for the prosperity of world, for the peacefulness of the world by the help of these all chemical products. Even though there are various other things are also happening and hazards in chemistry, but we use the science for the protection of world, for the peacefulness of world, not to the destroy the world. Okay, thanking you all. Take care.